My name is Holger Morhart. I'm the Managing Director of POLYVANTIS Africa. Very exciting development, the formation of POLYVANTIS Africa. POLYVANTIS globally is now combining the two favorite brands in the specialty plastics industry, high-performance plastics, the one Plexiglas made from PMMA and the other one LEXAN made from polycarbonate. We've combined the two powerhouses in the industry and we put them under one roof as one new global player when it comes to high-performance plastics. In general, sustainability has become the main driver in all sorts of industries, including ours. As a responsible manufacturer, as a global player, sustainability plays a very important role for us. On the local front, we were the first plastics company in South Africa with regards to high-performance plastics to start a recycling process. We started in the year 2019 already to get scrap post-industrial waste back from our customers from within our production area. We recycled everything, we cleaned it, we sorted it, and we turned it back into actual products. These products are actually still high-performance products. They're classified almost as green material because we use up to 90% recycled material in those products, and they're actively used in the retail industry, but we're also using them a lot for social projects, like for example, lab tests for schools in rural areas. We're the only company in our industry segment that provides dedicated training for our customers, not only to uplift, but also to further the quality in our industry. We do have a training center in Johannesburg and we've got a training center in Cape Town where we actively train our customers on how to work with our material, how to improve the quality of their output. At the same time, we go into factories as well. We audit work processes to help people to waste less material, how to better work with our material, and to show them new techniques. And I think that's a real service to the industry that we provide, and I think that's also our duty as the market leaders to do that kind of work. As POLYVANTIS, on the polycarbonate side was LEXAN, and on the acrylic side was Plexiglas, we are the manufacturer with the widest range of product. We produce anything from very thin materials that are used for film applications to very, very thick material. So you can actually come to our stand and see a block that is monolithic, produced out of acrylic that is 150 millimeters thick. Most people will pass it because it is crystal clear and see-through. We're also showing UV printing, reverse printing on our material, because as you look through the clear material, it becomes far more brilliant. The print really comes alive. The people are fascinated by seeing that we're combining this beautiful crystal clear material where you print a beautiful picture on the reverse with a UV printer, and that it's fairly easy to do that to create those kind of results. Then we show them how fabricated items can look like, anything from a display stand, from a piece of furniture, up to even a football table. This specific football table is made from our non-scratch surface material, lending itself for such an application. Here we have got a very nice example of what you can do with our material and how it's been made. This has been fabricated by one of our really good customers in Cape Town, a company called Impressive Designs that are normally specializing in retail branding. But here you can see a lot of applications. For one, the crystal clarity of the material. The edges have been beautifully polished. The glue lines are perfect because they're using the correct glue. For the surfaces that are probably going to be in hard use by this little ball, this has been using Plexiglas hard coat. This material has got a hard coat surface, which makes it far more abrasion resistant. So if they have a good game of football here, you won't have any scratches on the material. I think it's very important to mention that we're the only local manufacturer of acrylic in South Africa. We are actually the only one in Southern Africa that are producing acrylic. And that's got a lot of advantages. We've got a big team. We've got a very strong local support in that sense. Our lead times are much shorter, and we've seen, especially over the last year, with the interruption of supply chains, how important it is to be able to supply locally with short lead times to meet deadlines for our customers. And I think that's also a competitive advantage of ours. And that's how we serve the industry. Something very important for us and also important for the market. We've been the agents for LEXAN in the past already, but now with the LEXAN firmly in our stable, we've secured a very strong distribution partner in the form of Macy. So a wide range of the LEXAN solid sheets will be available in the next weeks from Macy Plastics. LEXAN is the world's leading polycarbonate sheet with the highest quality, with the longest warranties. And we're extremely excited about this, that we can make this product now available to the local market through a very wide distribution network in the form of Macy Plastics.